Welcome to Housekeeping Tips with Shar. Blessings from me to you all over. Hope you guys are doing great. And we're thankful because this is the day that the Lord has made. In today's video, I will be doing a little ironing. Also, I want to share with you, I did some whites, and I'm just going to fold them. So before I start ironing, I want to fold my whites. Normally these are whites that are whites. We put them to soak. You might spray little things on them, yes, to get the spots out of them. But sometimes they look a little bit dark. They need a little brightening, yeah. So what we do, normally Jamaicans, we soak them up, put them into a container with water, or get some bleach, Clorox bleach, pour it in there, and we put our whites in, and we would put our whites in. Then we soak them up. Yeah, you could put them, if you where you live you have sun, you put them that container with those white thing in the sun. Or what I do, I put them into a container with the water, the bleach, and the soap. Soak them up like this and put them then and cover them, and then depends on the how the kind of clothing that I'm putting to soak. Like these are things that you wear in the house. That wear in the house. So what I do, like a day or two, or not even a day, just like half a day, you let them soak before they wash. And we wash them, and no, I'm folding them. Because, even if your white is old, we want our whites to look good, bright, and look nice. Yeah, you might spray the spots, spray with a little thing, but the entire thing, at times, it look dark. You see some people in white, and you see look kind of creamish. You just want a little soap up. Put them. I put them into a container. You can put them in the washing machine, and soap them up and leave them. Cover the machine and leave them. They soak for a day or two, and then your white comes out bright. If you gotta go to the laundromat, as I said, you soak them up into a container. Yeah. Put them to soak for a couple of days, and the day when you go into the laundromat, you get a little plastic bag and you put them in it, and then you go to the laundromat, you get a small machine, and you wash them. Okay, I'm gonna fold my whites, right? So normally we put them on the right side. I do like this. Nothing's gonna takes forever. Okay, because although they were in the house, you want them to look good. So I use my hand and I do this. Okay. Use our hand and string it out. We don't have to iron them because these are just t-shirts that we wear in the house. Or you wear them under your shirt, your dressing shirt. Okay, and we do like this. That's our white there, and this is another one. Trust me, whatever you wear, it doesn't matter what. If you wear shoes, you want it to be clean. The sneakers, you want to make sure you take out the lace, you wash them, clean off your sneaker. You can wash your sneakers. But if you don't have the place to wash them, I wipe them off and put them down to dry. Take out the lace. Your shoes, clean or shine. But we try to do, whatever we wear, just like how we keep our place. We going out there, make sure our sneakers are clean. Just take out the lace out of them and wash them. There we have, and then this is for my daughter. Everything, it's white. There are times you just want to make sure the color stays. It's bright. Yeah. This, you notice there's black in this. I don't soak this because I don't want to ruin the black. But what I did, the day when I'm going to do the, when I'm going to wash them after soaking them, then I put this in. Yeah. So it soak for even maybe a half a day or so. But because as I said, I don't want to ruin the black. So therefore, you're not going to put the black in, put this in there to soak with the white for that long time. See, just folding our whites. Because then we're going to put them in our drawer. Those drawers that we clean out and we have space. Right? We organize those drawers. So we put our things so we can find them, or you put them where the children can find them. Keep our place organized and intact. Because we don't know, it's not all the time we feel like doing things. So, if you just keep, do it when you, like now, you wash them, just do it the right thing. And then, in case you come in and you don't feel like doing anything one week, at least you don't have a lot of things, to do, because guess what? Each time I do my laundry, I pack them away, I organize them, make sure you organize the place one time. And then you organize, so because they're organized, each time you're putting away things, you make sure you fold them and you put them where they belong, where everything belongs. So at the end of the day, you don't have to say, oh, I need to go organize this, no, you can organize once, but you maintain it. So these, we already clean out our drawers, okay? We organize it. So these are washed. So I'm just going to fold these and I'm going to put them right there. It's not going to take any time. No. Take a lot of times. It don't take a lot of times. Take them out the machine or wherever. It's at the laundromat. You take them out and you fold them. Use my hand. This is it. And I have one more here. So we put them on the right side. We take them out. Okay. As I said, I soak my whites into a container, but you can soak them in your machine, right? Make sure you have put your Clorox bleach, laundry soap, or if you have cake soap, whatever. And you soak them up and you leave them. And this is it's not that you can't bother to fold them, but remember you already organized the drawer, so you want to maintain that whatever you put in there is fold, and then you put them away into that same drawer that you spend time organize. That way you're maintaining whatever you did. And these are your socks. I'm going to put away our socks like this. We put them there. Okay, and then we finish ours. So we finish folding our whites. And then we're going to put them into that drawer that we organize nicely. So, see? So each time you take something out the drawer, you're putting back something in there, you fold it and put it away like this. No, you don't have to be thinking about organizing that drawer for a long time, because each time you put things in it, you fold them, put them back the same way that you take stuff out of it. Your socks, put them away. And this is it. See? All your white stuff, put them away. You don't want to take things out and you take this shirt out of the drawer, and then when you wash it, you just throw it back in there. No, that means you're going to have to go organize all over again. So this way, you're maintaining your drawer, okay? Now, I'm going to do some ironing. Stay tuned.